Was that somebody moved their feet as they were walking? Because there were some nice footsteps there. Anybody?
No, on the carpet.
Cool.
No, still. I heard that.
What was the sound? Like a female voice. Strange old place, isn't it? Go and get some more batteries. I'm just trying to find some batteries at the moment. Sorry? No, I didn't speak or anything at all, but I was moving the Russell for a bag. Kill.